Hello guys, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to add a custom texture onto your sun or moon or whatever you want to put it on. So first of all, you want to go into lighting and then add a sky. And once you've added the sky, then you want to go down and then where it says sun texture ID, you want to paste the ID of your image or whatever you want your sun to be. So this is my image in, and I use this image right here, and then boom, just like that. And you can do the same thing for the moon. So if I replace this with this texture ID, and then if I set it to night, then boom, it's really cool. You could do a lot of stuff with this, and yeah, that's actually just basically it. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry for not uploading Roblox. I'll be uploading Roblox a lot now, and